Hey buddy, let's begin by installing Java, specifically the JDK or the Java Development Kit on your PC. Some operating system may include Java by default, but to avoid compatibility issues and take advantage of the latest features, I recommend you to install the most recent version. To do that, just open a web browser of your choice, go to Google and say Java Oracle. I will share the link below so you can open it and install the JDK. So I just opened the Oracle website to download JDK. In our case, the JDK 24 is the latest, so we will install that one. And to do that, to install Java, just choose Windows and use the installer to install the JDK. On the right side, you will see the link to download JDK on your PC. So we will do that and see you in a few seconds when we downloaded it. So it's finished. Let's click on the downloaded JDK file and press yes to install it. The installation is very intuitive, so just press next, next, next until you installed the JDK fully. So it looks like it's finished. We will click on close to close the window, and then the JDK should be installed. To check that, press on the Windows button on your keyboard and type CMD for command line prompt and open that one. In the command line prompt, just type Java line version and you will see the installed Java version on your PC. So that's all about installation, and see you in the next video.